Hello, my name is Rushikesh Kulkarni. I represent Samadhan Innovative Solutions. Welcome to TLC Expo. This is a two-head switching machine. This is manufactured for expansion and reduction of tubes and also for cold forging applications for solid rods. So basically the main features of this machine are that is an auto stopper system, and all the hydraulic system is being in a closed loop. So we have used linear potentiometers to get feedback of hydraulic systems. We are basically into manufacturing of SPMs. So we are specialized into pipe processing SPMs. Then there are cold forging SPMs and laser cutting SPMs.